Guys, welcome back to our channel. So ngayon, pag-uusapan po natin is how to apply for the Balik Probinsya Bagong Pag-asa Program. So ito po yung mga na-stranded or yung mga returning OFW na gustong manirahan na sa probinsya for good. At yung mga nandito sa NCR na gusto na rin bumalik ng province para dun na rin manirahan. So let's start. By the way, this program launches their website, Balik Probinsya PH, last May 8, 2020. So ngayon, may dalawang option po paano mag-apply. So first option is online application. Now, for online application, just go to the official website of the program, www.balikprobinsya.ph. So, punta lang po tayo sa Google natin. Google, let's say, our browser. Then, just type in the balikprobinsya.ph website. And then, just click apply. Ito po yun. So, may mga hinihingi pong information like personal information, last name, middle name, first name, highest educational attainment. So, kung ano po yung narating nyo, may mga options po dito, elementary, high school, college undergraduate, vocational, college graduate, postgraduate. So, click nyo lang po yan. Ethnicity or indigenous people. So, yun po yung, let's say, for example, kung saan ka na belong. May mga choices din po dyan. Just click. Then, date of birth, civil status, gender, blood type. Are you a person with disability? Just click yes if yes or no. Then, present address, kung ano yung address mo ngayon. Subdivision, city, street, barangay. Tenurial status, ito po yung kung owner ka po ba, may-ari ng bahay, renter, nangungupahan, sharer, nakikitira sa kamag-anak or kakilala, or stranded. So, just click stranded, na-stranded sa Metro Manila. Then, kung na-stranded ka dito, just click, there are two options, stranded non-OFW or stranded OFW. So, let's say stranded non-OFW. Length of residence, ilang years na ba or ilang months. So, may mga choices, below 6 months, 6 months to 1 year, 2 to 5 years, 6 years or more. Just click that one kung saan yung, kung ilang years ka na nandito or kung ilang months pa lang. Kasi may iba po na nandito na stranded lang kasi they visited their relatives po dito sa metro. And then, other information, ito yung hindi naman to, let's say, talagang required. Kasi yung mga required, yung may mga asterisk na pula sa gilid, sa left side. So, yun po yung kailangan fill outan. Pero ito, kung wala kayong TIN number or GSIS or SSS number, wag nyo na pong lagyan. So, technical skills, select technical skills. Let's say, agriculture, agribusiness, manufacturing, construction, shipbuilding, electronics, wellness and spa, BPOs and online jobs, food and bars, transport service, and then others or service, security, utility work. So, just click. So, let's say construction. Click natin yan. So, yan yung mga kakayahan mo or kung ano yung trabaho mo ngayon. Let's say, for example, nasa construction ka or ano yung kaya mong gawin. Now, mobile number, so mga contact details needed po to. So, email address, destination to travel. So, alone or with family. So, click mo lang. So, let's say with family. So, please indicate number of family members if traveling with family. Balik probinsya where, saan ka uuwi. So, let's say for example, sa amin Agusan del Sur. So, lagay ko lang dyan, click ko lang. Then, city, let's say Bunawan. Then, block, lot, street, village, barangay. Yan yung mga fill outan mo kung anong specific address mo doon. And reason for applying, stranded, resettlement, or others. So, let's say stranded. Lagay natin dyan. Contact person, head of the family. So, sinong head of the family? Kung family kayo magta-travel. So, let's say, father, let's say name ng father, contact number, spouse name or partner, contact number din niya, friend or family. So, at least, kailangan kasing at least 3 information ng contact person or contact number para, let's say, for example, hindi po kayo ma-reach, meron pong other option. Then, assessment, do you have place to stay in the province? Let's say yes. Then, are you willing to be trained or acquire new knowledge to facilitate employment and or livelihood? Yes. If yes, which technical skills would you prefer? So, let's say, construction. Okay. Then, do you have a piece of land in the province? Yes. If yes, kung no, kung wala. Do you have work in the province? Yes or no. Do you have small business in the province? So, let's say yes. What do you intend to do in the province to financially support your family? So, let's say, ayan, may mga choices. Farming, fishing, employment, livestock, at marami pa. Then, ito po, needed po siya agreement. So, let's say, I hereby certify that the above statements are true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I understand that a false statement may disqualify me from this program. Furthermore, I am giving Balik Probinsya my full consent to include the above information in their database and to update the same from time to time without further asking my written consent. I agree. And then click submit. Then, the next one po, the next option, tapos na po tayo dyan. So, first option is yung online. And the next option is pupunta po tayo mismo sa Balik Probinsya. By the way, prior to that pala, wait for an email or call from any representative of the Balik Probinsya program for further assistance. So, after mo yung maklik yung submit, antayin nyo lang yung email or tawag galing sa representative nila, okay? Then, second option is barangay application. So, first would be, pupunta lang po tayo sa barangay at magtanong doon kung ano po yung, or saan po yung pinaka-malapit na find the nearest Balik Probinsya Center in your barangay. So, yun sila po magsasabi kung saan po yung pinaka-malapit na center, Balik Probinsya Center na pwede nyong pwede kayong mag-apply nun. So, inquire about the requirements and other necessary details about the program. So, the BP2 personnel will provide you the application or assessment forms and fill them out with accurate information. Gaya ng ginawa natin sa online. So, ito is hard copy naman. Submit the accomplished Balik Probinsya program form. And the personnel will evaluate your documentary requirements and capture your photo. And then you have to wait for the further instruction. Okay? So, ngayon, kailangan nyo lang pong i-follow yung step-by-step process. Kung alin pong option yung pipiliin nyo, kung pwede nyong kayang gawin, let's say, online para mas safe at hindi kayo ma-expose. So, mas maigi pag online, or kung gusto nyo makasiguro, you can go to the nearest Balik Probinsya Center para ma-process yun, okay? So, by the way guys, sana nakatulong po ito. And then, hopefully, you will actually follow the right process para po ma-approve po yung inyong application. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and share our video. Don't forget also to click the bell button, and hopefully this will help. Thank you and God bless.